crack cocaine. I'm at church and I need to be delivered. I'm such a dopey romantic. I keep contemplating acts which involve flirtation and sweet sap. I'm just falling with no safety net into romantic suppositions. I haven't even said more than a sentence yet, and the one chance I get, I blew. Felt like such a simpleton, cause her beauty, her impromptu presence blessed me, and I didn't know what to do. She sounded so cute too. It was 2 days ago, gathering toppings at the salad bar. Surprisingly, she crept right next to me, and in the most angelic of tones, she said, "That salad dressing sure looks good." And I looked through my mental Rolodex with dread, mind a blank slate. My lips felt like lead. I might as well tell myself good night and get back into bed. This is pretty much what I said. Yeah, they got all the flavors out here. If I'm lying, I'm dying. I couldn't make this up if I was trying. Now please, ladies and gentlemen, for this epic fail, a moment of silence. I wonder what type of dressings they got on the salad bar tonight.